Hello friends, welcome to my channel Swathi Tricks World. First of all, thanks to all the people who are supporting me and do the same as usual. And also I want to say one thing. Some people are suggesting me to do different videos. Yeah, definitely I will do different videos in my upcoming videos and also with different content also. So here we go. Today topic is fundamental rights. In Telugu we called as Pradhamika Hakulu. Now, what are fundamental rights? It means basic human rights of all citizens. Simply, it means our rights, what we are using. And these fundamental rights are taken from third part of the Constitution. And also there are total 12 to 35 articles. Actually, there are 7 fundamental rights at starting of the Constitution, but it was deleted. Now we have only 6 fundamental rights. Those 6 fundamental rights are right to equality, 14 to 18 articles, right to freedom, 19 to 22 articles, and right against exploitation, 23 to 24 articles, right to freedom of religion, 25 to 28 articles, cultural and educational rights, 29 to 30 articles, right to constitutional remedies, 32 to 35 articles. But guys, see here, 31 is missing. 31 article is right to property. Why it is deleted means legal right under article 300A. So it is a legal right. So they are deleted under article 300A. So to remember these fundamental rights, I made a trick, that is EFC square. And EFC square, it is very easy to remember. E stands for equality, F stands for freedom, and E stands for exploitation, F stands for freedom of religion, and C square, in that C square, one C stands for cultural and educational rights and another C stands for constitutional and remedies. So to remember all those fundamental rights, it is very easy to remember EFC. Guys, in exam point of view, it is very important to learn in a order and also to learn how many articles and what articles comes under what rights. So I made a trick to remember all the articles. E stands for right to equality. So how many articles? 14 to 18. So 5 articles. And in right to freedom, 19 to 22, how many articles? 4 articles. In right against exploitation, 23 to 24, how many articles? 2 articles. And in right to freedom of religion, we have only 4 articles. And in C, cultural and educational rights, 29 and 30, only 2 articles. And in right to constitutional remedies, 32 to 35, 4 articles. So it is very easy to remember, 5, 4 to 4 to 4. So first you write 4 to 4 to in the middle, and on the left side you write 5, and on the right side you write 4. So we can easily grasp all these 5, 4 to 4 to 4. 5 means there are in right to equality 5 articles. 4 means in right to freedom there are 4 articles, 19, 20, 21, 22. And in right against exploitation, 23 and 24, 2 articles. And in right to freedom of religion, 4 articles. And cultural and educational rights, 2 articles. And in right to constitutional remedies, 4 articles. 5, 4 to 4 to 4. This is our trick, and hope you guys like this video and helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe.